So finally I'm here at Toll Brothers. I think this will be the most beautiful house I've visited here in Houston. So let's see what's inside. We have this beautiful office here. I love the fact that the office is just by the entrance. It's so beautiful. You can look at it. I mean, this is amazing. Wow. You can get a lot of inspiration just walking from this space. And then we come into the main parlor. What? I was telling my friend, this will just knock out some poverty mentality out of me. But I love this art. I mean, just take a look at this. This is so beautiful. And that sculpture there, that's really beautiful too. And fireplace. Although I'm not really a fan of fireplace, but that's cool. And this kitchen, the first thing I love about this kitchen is the wood. It has this nude finish, which I love, and it matches the flooring here. And this gold faucet, oh, looks cool. I mean, it's giving luxury, premium luxury. Then we have this dining. I'm a fan of greenery, so I love to see what's outside there. What? Oh my. You can spend your whole day here just thinking about the great things you want to achieve in life. I mean, first of all, if you look at this, you think maybe there's a swimming pool here, but there's no swimming pool, which also works. The greenery works fine. I love flowers, so if I'm to go for a house, I'll definitely go for this one. A lot of space here. I wanted to save it another developer. We know them. They'll chuck a swimming pool here, but you see how they maintain the greenery, just made it to be like a sit out where you can chill with your family. And also this, this is a grill where you can grill and enjoy a nice time with your family. So let's go up and see what we have. The staircase is so beautiful. But before we go to the staircase, let's check out the rooms here. There's the laundry room. And then we have another room here. This is giving palace vibes. And this light, so beautiful. There's let's say an artifact or a wall art that's here. It feels like something from Africa. Yeah. And this bedroom that feels like another room. Let's see what's here. Ooh. Like all of Lagos will see, I'll never be poor in my life. And then there's this walk-in closet here. This really speaks of Houston, Texas. In Texas in general, that everything is big. So this space is really big. And then we're going upstairs. Let us see. There's this little game here where you can play games just within the family. I love this. So soft and beautiful. Then there's this room. 19th century display. But I'm sure it's just an artifact to beautify the room. Oh, these mirrors look cool. Wow. I think this is a second parlor. I love how cozy it feels and the vibe here. I think this should also be like the media room. Yeah, media room. Princess room. Okay, princess room. Maybe we'll see the prince room. But it's cool. Let's see the prince room. This is another office for those who work from home. But it also looks like a mini dining. Oh yeah. Room to convert it, right? Okay. And then the bedroom. That's it. Oh, just staying here, you feel refreshed. You feel mindsets of poverty dropping off your system. But yeah, this is so beautiful. I love it. I mean, from all the houses I've been to here in Houston, this is my best. Sajite, which one is your best? This one. This is my best. I mean, this view down to the backyard there, it's so beautiful. And I love the finishing here. And the interior, it speaks luxury. So come and buy. I asked for the price and then they told me that it's priceless. Well, I'll let you know what the price is.